Hello and welcome back. We're starting out first close candle of the week. We got a lot to go over. It's a pretty good market right now. Some people have been commenting on it in the Discord as well, that they're pretty hyped for the market. Oh, sorry. Hold up. And we'll just get right to it. So, starting here on Bloomberg, like always, I don't really see anything that concerns us too much. We'll start out on SPY, which had a minor pullback previous weeks that pushed the dollar up. As I've explained, I posted those diagnostics as well of why I'm explaining these things. Yeah, here it is. So 90% are new viewers. Therefore, I'll explain why I'm doing this. Again, did it last video as well, but there's a lot of new viewers. So the reason I look at this, the sole reason I don't trade SPY is because it's sold and bought in the dollar. So when there was a minor pullback on SPY, we had a dollar surge. Not a big one, but it affects us. It's interesting to know when you're trading. Anyways, let's get to the setups that were already open. This is the one that I didn't like. I've said that for so long now because it's been open for so long. So you should have had your sell loss at break even on this one. I was not in this one. And it should be a far goner by now. This trade right here, it was a breakout. I entered, moved my sell loss quite aggressively to 0.25%, which put me over my monthly limit. I was up 9.9%. So we're talking about 10.15% for the week done. And then when I hit that, I thought, no, I can't be in more trades. So exited this as well, like 5 minutes ago, up another percent. So 11.5%. And that's it. Month done for me. GG. I know some people are still trading. So I will look for some setups. But from now on, I will no longer be entering the setups with you for the rest of the remainder of the week because I've hit my monthly max of 10%. And this is now the fifth month in a row that happens. But the other ones I've done it like the first week and it has been pretty annoying. Now I did it the last week at least, So yeah, let's look at the ruble here. There was a nice breakout for it. I don't know who has CFDs though, but that trade is also done. So I didn't enter it because I couldn't. So let's go through some setups. SR areas were drawn. I know someone pointed this one out, I believe. Yeah. Yeah. So I can't see your time frame though, AD GPY. But we don't have the same SI areas. I don't know. There's no valid setup for this for me. Why do we have different SI areas? Well, you could be. Yeah, you could be down here. It's valid too, but it has been broken. This is the newer rejection. Probably some minor adjustment I made. I don't know what I redrawn. I probably redrew down here and then adjusted it a little bit later on. Anyways, let's see. Walk on here. Okay, so here we have a closed indecision candle. We're on the one there, right? Yeah, that looks quite congested though. No, I don't like it. What is that, ATH one? So ATH means all-time high. With these ones, we kind of just have to make areas like that. They suck, but it's all we got. Normally, a level requires a double tap, like here. I see. What did the 12 hours say on this one? Okay, so you might have what looks like. So I'll have to adjust it for this one. Hold up. No, then you don't. No, I don't like this setup. Let's keep going. A lot of congestion. Consolidation, actually, I would call it. Yeah, 200 MAs right there. Oh, that looks okay. That's doable. That looks nice. We'll discuss it. What the fuck is this? Is it ATH? Yeah, it's another ATH pair. All those breakouts months have ATH'd so much shit. It's crazy. It's bonkers. Here we could have see something forming. I don't know though, I'm not sure. It will put as potential. I'm gonna remove this one not to have a cross pair. There we go. Because they were both CRs, so that's fine. Oh, this is looking nice. That's a better one. Still a cross pair though. Silver and the gold. You could do a continuation on the gold as well, but it's kind of late to enter now. So yeah, let's get the setups up. Hold on. It's not quiet, it is. If you watched like 20 fucking videos, you know how fucking loud this laptop used to be. I've fucking upgraded this shit. Peace. Tranquility. Anyways, here I'd be looking for a continuation for it to break or continue up. So this is essentially, let me draw it out for you. I could just use some lines. So we've seen it go up here and then down again. Motherfucker. To here. Now we'd want a continuation from the SI area like that again. Is something we'd look for. Normal continuation. I don't call them classics. I don't know why I call them classic reversals. I don't remember where I got that term from. But you'd want it above the indecision candle as well on this type of trade. You can get a comfortable sell-loss above. Put a stop order in. There was a dude that asked about the fucking timer for the stop orders. And bro, here we go. Don't have too long of a timer. That can only hurt you, while a shorter timer is, you can miss out on the trade, which isn't possible. So I mean, there's no, like I always say, there's no such thing as missing out on a trade. It doesn't exist. It's just FOMO. You're just being a little faggot then. So this will be a 12-hour entry, 1.5 R. You're going, let me see, yeah, you're CRing on this one. I mean CTing on this one. So keep that in mind. I'll put this in as a stop order. I won't, keep in mind, I won't enter this myself. And this isn't a trade I would have entered myself either. I don't like it that much, but it is a valid continuation. For this one, we'd be looking for a classic reversal within this range and not be looking for a breakout. On the USD knock here, so here we have double support because 200 MA functions as support. We have an indecision candle, and we have what looks to be an indecision candle again forming on double support within the range. So this is looking very nice. Yeah, that hit perfectly. So this one I go for 2 R. This is a trade I would have entered myself for sure. I even want to. Yeah, this looks great. So I'll mark this as a green stop order. I'll post this in the Discord right now too. Damn. In case it triggers hard. That's a really nice trade. So it's a close 1 day entry. Yeah, so we'll close one day entry. That means the signals are a lot stronger. I've talked about this a lot in previous videos. When the time frame is lower, like 12-hour, 8-hour, or whatever, the lower you hop on the time frame, the weaker the signals are. The more likely it is to be a fake. I mean, that just goes to show. Because it's a higher time frame, right? So this looks like the optimal classic reversal trade with the overall win rate of, I don't fucking remember now. I'll post it in the Discord what the win rate is. 83%, something like that. So you got 17% chance to get fucked anyways, or it might not trigger at all. Anyways, that's all I've got. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment on YouTube. I always answer comments. And if you want to hop in my Discord, it will be linked in the description. There's nothing for sale there. There are no courses, no mentorships, absolutely nothing. No affiliates. And as you can even see, there aren't even ads on my YouTube videos. I don't need any money. We don't do any of that bullshit. Just trading. And it's a good group of guys in there. Thanks. Bye-bye.